Start streaming. Do you wanna see?
What? I want you to watch myself then, it's funny. Okay.
Tapi harus dimatiin audionya.
Why? Oh yeah, okay, yeah.
Feedback.
But okay, let's try anyway. Mana sih bermatematika?
Bermatematika.
Mana tahu?
Hah? Ada.
Oh ada gininya. Halo.
Halo para jomblo se-ITB.
Hah? Aduh. Let's try if I mute my audio. Can I hear myself? Still or not?
What is it? Not here. I don't have the file. Ini ada yang ini.
Okay, I decided against watching myself. The audio is misleading. Right. Oh, wait a second. I'm gonna check. Is it lumayan? Lumayan? Lumayan.
Suaranya lumayan.
Suaranya lumayan. Itu ngepas ya hasilnya.
Apanya?
Bermatematika. It goes off the black thing a little bit. At the frame.
Oh yeah.
Nah, that's all good though. The frame.
Hah?
What?
Udah
Not the
kan?
white thing. Huh?
Udah.
Oh, udah kita.
It's delay over there a little bit.
Oh, delay bener. Lumayan jaringan delaynya. How many seconds?
Kadang bisa sampai semenitan gitu.
What?
Oh, I forgot I cannot scroll here. So, what's the universe? Excellent condition.
Wah, ternyata lumayan, tapi ternyata the resolution, I thought it would be pecah dikit or something. Tapi my sound sucks, so I probably should not use this thing.
Ini ada suara yang kedengar di itu nage bad.
Yeah.
How about my sound? Is it any difference using this mic?
What difference?
Is my sound better than yours?
Well, yes, of course, it's a lot better. Di na YouTube nama. Kala I'll take again. Mute.
Tes. Jadi yang mana? Kan udah semuanya.
Yeah, it's leagues better. Your sound than mine. Mine sounds terrible. I gotta what? I don't know. Oh wait, I have a mic. The splitter doesn't work well for some reason. Let's try. Where's my mic?
I don't have.
Test, test, test.
That's better. You seeing that one? The boya small boya. Now I cannot hear. Itu jalan, ini mah.
What?
Tak, baru jalan deh.
Oh, ada.
Tadi mah enggak, barusan ada.
Okay, is it better than tadi?
Yes, much better.
Okay.
So works than that little dude.
Well, but I can't hear you say anything because the audio isn't split yet. I don't know. I'll try to work the split.
Where's the splitter? I think I bought the splitter cable. Maybe works on your laptop somehow. Itu jalan.
This is better. Hello?
It's bad.
This is bad, okay.
No, it doesn't work.
Hello?
Kresek ya mah kamu.
Oh dang, the scooter.
Try this one, dude. Come. Come here. Mr. Aka.
Is this gonna have any difference with tadi?
I don't know. Perhaps.
Alright.
Hello again.
Still bad.
I haven't connected it yet.
Oh, what is that?
Hello? 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 Is it the bad mic or is it the good mic?
Dibalik tuh.
What?
It's bad.
I don't know the difference. Is there a difference?
No, it's bad. Still bad.
Okay, wait. We're gonna...
Still bad. Maybe you just join the Zoom using your HP and then that's your sound.
Okay. It's not gonna delay it. Delay. That's not. Isn't it going to mess up the order of the OBS?
No, it won't. Because I just... I don't know kita. Perhaps sih. I just need to pin the two of us.
The problem is it could be dual sound unless one is muted.
Kresek.
But then I still can't enter the Zoom room for some reason. Wait. Let's see.
Zoomy. Oh iya, dia admit lah.
Bad.
Oh, it's messed up, so I need to pin this too. Hold on.
Oh no.
You need
Dang it.
to kill. How about now?
Hello? Oh, that's cool. It's kinda better. No, it still sucks. Alright. What's wrong?
But it's not as clear as before, the microphone.
Yeah, but it still sucks. Ooh. Or is it because it's on the phone? Let's switch. Okay, I'll try switching. Maybe it encodes differently.
I think you need to kill the speaker or the speaker on the phone as well. Because I don't know.
Hello? Ah,
Krusuk.
wait. Test. Hello?
Bad.
Is it any better than
No. The best tadi when you have only the boya.
When I have only the boya?
Ya.
Oh.
Atau coba si boyanya ke HP. And you listen from the.
But yeah, I already switched the order.
There's this statics.
I'm going to try on the laptop again, but only mic. Oh,
Krusuk.
is that any good?
No.
No?
No.
Okay. I can't hear you though because the audio comes out from here.
Oh, so you back to the one mic only?
Yeah, I don't know how to make it mic only.
But it's not as good as before, though.
Mic the text with the speakers. I mean, it detects the mic as a speaker for some reason. How do I change this though? There should be a way to change it. I need to like isolate.
Your voice is not clear.
Is it better?
No.
What? Can't hear you.
Krusak.
Krusak. Alright then. Hello? Okay. I don't know what the difference between the capture input terminal AC interface.
Sigana, you need to remove that cable. You still use the cable, no?
Cable.
The splitter.
Oh, I can't hear you. Wait.
Remove the splitter.
Yeah, I don't have the splitter on. Maybe it's because baru iyan si laptop na. Maybe. I don't know. Hello?
It's not good.
Still not good.
Hello?
Nah, better. Test.
It's good?
Yeah, it's good.
Oke, that means logo isinya buat laptopnya perlu didedetkan.
Belum iya merenang tadi nah.
Ya, I don't know. It happens a lot. Soalnya mun pakai headphone juga tiba-tiba kadang-kadang kiri doang, kanan doang gitu. So you have to push it in sometimes.
You did all this stuff?
What?
Question?
Relatively.
Relatively.
I still can't hear you though because
Yes.
it's only detecting the mic. I don't know how to isolate like the mic on, like use this thing as a mic instead of a speaker.
Di situ ada di taskbar on the right bottom. On the taskbar. On the taskbar. Or on the Zoom itself. Now your voice is non-existent. Like I hear your room from I hear your sound from your room, but not from the Zoom.
Yeah, I'm like that too when what? If I plug this thing in.
Oh.
Oh, now it's a non-existent.
It,
Okay, wait.
it's back, but it's not as good as before.
Yeah, because I unplugged the Boya thing. I'll plug it in again, but I can't hear anything. The splitter, I don't know if it doesn't work.
I think I bought two, but where is it? How about this one? Oh, but this one is no. This is the SBC. What? Not cannot hear you. It's not. Cannot hear you from OBS. Ngikutin chatnya nggak kak?
What?
The chat, live chat.
Well, now I am.
But I don't know yet how to like displaying one of the thingy, one of the comment I pick, but I don't know.
Bruno bisa, I mean, but not automatic like that. But
Yes,
like
of course, it should be.
Maybe. I don't know.
Now you can hear me or?
Well, this is using the laptop speaker.
Oh, okay, not that bad.
Oh, it's not that bad.
Uh-huh.
Alright then, kalau gitu mah. That means emang goreng ini si the colokannya buat laptop.
Oh.
That's a problem then. Logor atau kumaha kita probably pas service teh jadi macam-macam logor. Ini mouse kan kita bisa lots of other stuff. But wajar aja sih jatuh teh gini kan. Tapi
I think this F is not easy. I think the 13F. Have you tried it?
Kemana?
This one.
Oh no, I skipped the trigonometry one. 13 what F?
I think even using the L'Hopital, it will be several L'Hopital. I think.
L'Hopital is cheating if you don't know it yet.
Yeah.
We don't know it yet.
Yeah, it's not allowed L'Hopital. I mean, even if you use L'Hopital. So it's gonna be cosine square at the bottom and blah blah blah. I don't know. 1 minus cosine square. Maybe not, I don't know. Just look at the Taylor expansion of secant squared. Let's try. Wolfram. Oh, not bad kita. ini X pangkat 4 nah gonna be killed. So it's roughly similar to X squared. It's gonna be 1. But what is it tadi? Oh, I think I get. Nah aku adalah jago tuh, lebih jago dari saya. Bener sip. Diganti secant kuadrat X kurang satunya jadi tangan kuadrat X. Yup. Pen tab saya nggak pakai ini juga berencana mau nyoba mau beli karena yang dipakai sekarang pakai ini apa? Pakai pen yang di laptop bukan tab yang eksternal. Mau nyobain yang wireless. Tapi ya nggak tahu sih. Lagi mikir perlu nggak sih? Pengen beli banyak gadget macam-macam. Bukan yang ini berarti yang susah, yang harus L'Hopital 2 kali mah yang mananya? Ada deh. Kok ini masih jinak. Ya bagus. Aku adalah ganti secant kuadrat X kurang satunya dengan tangan kuadrat X. Yap. Ini udah quiz yang GTB?
Tergantung.
Hah?
Ada yang udah teman-teman.
Udah ada bocoran.
Beda
Sama nggak?
beda. Beda beda. Asal nama beda beda nggak tahu.
Harusnya mah sama sih, bukan cuma
Apa wrong?
beda dikit. Ayo enu nonton 32 orang. Gabut kayak. Oh iya, kita tunjukin soal ini mean value theorem yang keren, tapi belum, saya kayak lupa meren mana kelas khusus files tutorial 1. Download di manakah download oke. Nah, ini soal tutorial zaman saya yang bertugas bikin soalnya. Ya, ini juga di mix dengan soal-soal yang dibuat sebelumnya. Jadi yang sekarang juga ini ada beberapa soal-soal di sini. Ini tahun kapan nih? Ini tahun 2016. Tapi ada soal yang kerennya nih, nomor 24. Coba dibaca dulu. Seru ini. Jadi ada sandwich sama ada daging. Ya. Dengan menggunakan teorema nilai antara, kita bisa membuktikan bahwa ada suatu garis lurus sehingga si garis lurus ini tepat membagi dua baik roti dan dagingnya bersama-sama sama besar. Keren kan?
Gimana si Ilman mau jadi chef ke matematika geningan? Ilman,
Nah ya tuh cobain yang problem solvingnya ini lumayan, is little bit mikir. Nah nomor 22 tak teorema. Ayahnya
hah?
yang nomor 22 yang ini
Nomor.
sama nggak?
Beda beda. Nggak tahu. Sama-sama.
Hah?
I think familiar sih. I can't see it di Zoom now ngeblur. I mean, at least for me, it's probably my connection in my room is sucky. G something. Oh, ayah, okay. Tapi nggak ada sinan ya tam. Is that floor or is that parentheses? I can't see.
Ya, it's floor.
Oh, it's floor. Oh, nggak ada kalau floor.
Oh, I switched the thingy setting. Would be bad. Maybe. I don't know how it looks like now.
Nggak, tadi jadi kecil and then now it's back to normal.
Nah, ini kayak keren ya, ta 23. Tunjukkan bahwa fungsi fx kontinu hanya di x sama dengan 0. Ini buat yang ambis, yang kekurangan soal, silahkan deh. Cobain.
Kemana? The sandwich.
Ya, sandwich.
Sandwich as in teorema Apit, sandwich as in...
Bu Nuning menyiapkan sarapan pagi untuk kedua anak kembarnya berupa sepotong roti dengan irisan daging di atasnya. Tunjukkan bahwa ada suatu garis sehingga jika Bu Nuning memotong roti daging mengikuti garis tersebut menjadi dua bagian, maka masing-masing bagian mengandung roti dan daging sama banyak. I think I forgot as well, but the petunjuk will tell us what to do.
Petunjuk. I still can't see it. It's kind of blurry in my Zoom. Dasar internet. Okay, it's better. Setiap sudut theta yang dibentuk oleh irisan dan suku X mendapat garis L theta. But how do you do this without knowing the shape of the stuff?
Huh?
Or
You can define something like similar to that akar thingy. Like you need to have something that differentiate the two parts. So there is one occasion that the left part is bigger, and there is one occasion the right part is bigger. So somewhere in between there should be equal, something like that.
well, that sounds kind of intermediate value theorem-ish, but
Yeah,
I haven't quite gotten there.
it is intermediate value theorem. So first find the thingy, the what? For the bread only. For the bread only, easy, right?
What?
Huh?
Oh,
So first prove that there is a line.
that splits the bread evenly. Well, since the bread, I'm assuming, is a square.
No, it doesn't need any kind. The shape can be as weird as possible.
Well, I mean, it's a difference between if we have only the bread and we have the meat as well. Because given your clue, that what I'm thinking is that we can make like a function of the difference between the two potongan.
No, the two potongan is the top and the bottom. That's L0 and L pi.
What? L0 and L pi.
So define L theta to be the difference between the area of the top minus the bottom, right?
Oh wait, it's probably because I can't see the thing correctly. What are those things on the graph? L0 equals L pi. Oh, okay. And then there's L theta. So we're trying to prove what? That Tapi YouTube jelas gini kan bisa mengisi. Better than dinner. Then it is my internet connection. So, okay. Nasib kamar belakang.
Mun di YouTube.
Di YouTube mah ketinggalan. It's clear gitu.
Tapi ada buram di ayah mah. Oh, clear kita. Yes.
Well, I mean in comparison to tadi. Why? I don't know. Okay, kita.
So if we define L theta to be the difference between, like, let's say the top minus the bottom, right?
Well, but theta is a line. I mean, or are we making another function?
So we just make some imaginary x-axis, right?
Yeah. Okay.
Across the bread, and then we define L theta to be the cut where the cut make angle theta with the x-axis, right? So now let's say we look at the L0, which is exactly the cut is along the x-axis, right? So what are the possibility of the value of L0? So remember that L theta is the top minus bottom. This is bread only, right?
Well, I still don't understand the meaning of the function. What do you mean by top minus the bottom? Because I'm still thinking in terms of like line.
So let me redefine again. So altera
Okay.
is the area of the bread on the top of the cut minus
Okay.
the area of the bread on the bottom of the cut.
Yeah. All right.
Okay. So then the value of L0, what are the possibilities?
It could be positive. It could be negative.
Or 0, right?
Or 0. Yes.
If it is 0, then that's it, right?
Where we're split. Okay. Yeah.
If L0, then it is evenly, right?
Yes.
So then, if it is positive, it means what?
It means that the upper part is weaker.
So maybe I should define the top more.
Recursive.
So because I want to differentiate between L0 and L pi.
Well, isn't it going to like go? What is it? Kind of slightly periodical.
No. So like the area of the on the left counterclockwise minus the area on the right counterclockwise, right?
Yeah.
So if let's say if L0 is positive, how about L pi?
L pi is going to be well. It. How do you define the sifat garis? I mean, is it if it's
So
it's
then
going
L
to
pi
be
is gonna
opposite.
be going in the direction of x to the negative. Let's say the line has direction, like
If it's like that, then it's going to be the opposite of 0.
yes. So if it is one of them is positive and one of them is negative, then there
we're
should
going
be
there.
somewhere
Okay.
which is equal to 0, right?
All right. Okay, I got that.
So that's the bread
I
only.
can't correct. Huh? Okay, that's the bread only. Ay munding daging na naman ba dan?
So we need to think again. Then there are several lines that behave like that, cutting the bread exactly in two parts. So we need to find among of them, which is also divide the meat exactly in half equally, right? So let's see if I forgot this one, but
Are we going to use the same logic? I mean, for like
yeah, kind of. But we need to see first that the line that divide the bread evenly is
same.
infinitely many.
Oh, okay, perfect. Oh yeah. If it is infinitely many, then we can conveniently say that there is one garis L that exists that cuts it evenly. Okay.
So let's see why I draw that L of pi over 2. Oh, now I can differentiate between the like left, right, something like that, right?
Well,
L pi over 2 and L3 pi over 2. So like in between that one and that one, there should be a cut too. So for every
for every periodical, I mean like difference of pi, then there is
yes,
always one. Oh, that's convenient. Nice
So-
bread.
So now, how do we choose that among of those there will be a line that also
I think
cut the meat equally?
si White pangot mentang temerhatikan akan what. Okay, so now that we know that they're infinitely many, and what's the problem then? I mean, aren't there infinitely many? Also, but we don't know exactly where, right? Ooh.
Okay, harusnya mah the same kind of argument. So there should be infinitely many tera such that L tera divides the bread exactly into two equal area. So then so if we look at those line, so now we consider those line as the lines dividing the meat, right?
Yes.
Yeah, the same thing. You just take the opposite of the thingy, right? Let's say this L theta, right? This L theta is one of the line that divide the bread equally, right?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
So this line, by using similar argument, if we compare the top and the bottom of the daging, it's gonna be positive or negative.
Yeah.
And then L theta plus pi will have different sign.
Yeah. Okay.
So there should be but the problem is the new line is not dividing the bread. So let's see. So how then?
I'm more confused on how to write this formally.
Huh? That's formal enough.
What? No, 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 no.
We need to have the lines that divide the bread is also continuous. But is it continuous?
Aha.
Oh, Fire Nation. Oh, I forgot. Kumaha itu?
Tadi na comment saya.
Ya, ada Russell. He's good. It should be a point on the bread.
Wah, ya video beneran ay naman.
Hah?
Sa teman. Sa ay.
Apa
Ada
ini?
cool. Okay, nice. Can this is my default stance now. Yeah.
Is there anyone that you know in the comment?
No, I don't know. I haven't checked through them. Probably not. Everybody is busy doing things. Maroon. Atau kita? Nope. Well, that's all right.
Sebentar. Let's see, I forgot. I think so the line that dividing the bread equally should be continuous as well, because for every straight line, right?
Yeah.
There should be somewhere in between. yeah, it's continuous also. So if we convince that it is continuous as well, then just we look at all the collection of L theta. So yeah, so basically apa the we have a function that depends on the theta. Why it is continuous? It is continuous because if we move a little bit, yeah, we need to formally prove that the L theta is continuous function.
Well, isn't that a given?
Huh?
When is it going to? I mean,
So first the
something. It's something minus something, right?
uh-huh.
I mean, what strange odds does that come about? Does that bring about? I mean, it's just like, yeah, a subtraction of two interdependent things. I mean, because their value of their sum is going to be the same, right? Of the two things.
Ini yang username-nya aneh-aneh sama YouTube dicekal ininya karena apa? Dianggap username-nya gibberish gitu. Tapi barusan saya show. Ya, food for thought. Lumayan.
Don't give ideas to pembuat soal ya.
Huh? Because I also still and that time I remember. Now I don't remember. I steal the problem from somewhere.
Iman? Well, it does seem like a classic textbook humor.
Yeah, it is on a textbook in some other calculus textbook. Let's see. So we have a bunch of lines. I think it's continuous. So first it is continuous. A function. So before it is continuous to the theta variable. But the next one is continuous to the slope, I guess. But it's weird. It's not.
Do you have a good charger? A good actual mic cable. There's a black one that bisa dibuang or something. Like
What are you looking for?
charging the tablet. An actual good charger.
I don't know.
I'm talking to my friends right now.
Terus pilih XBYB yang ada dagingnya. Oke. Sebentar. Terus pilih XBB ada dagingnya. Oke. Terus gimana, Russell? Got the flop. Iya. Ini seingat saya ada versi ketiganya, yakni sandwich full sandwich ditutup gitu. Ada roti atas, roti bawah sama daging. Lupa Tapi harusnya pas bikin soal, seingat saya waktu itu kalau petunjuknya bisa, yang lainnya bisa, tapi ternyata tidak semudah itu. Jadi kalau ke 00, ini coba si Russell nih.
So the information that we have is that for every data that we pick, then in a range of that data to 5 plus data, there will always be at least one one line that splits the bread or the meat into, but we need to prove rigorously that there exists a line that puts both of them into. Is there a way to limit the thing even more? So we have like
hold on. Yeah. I think I have an idea. Let's see. So there is. So for every point there are two lines that cutting the bread and cutting the. So we just compute the difference between the thingy. I think like this. Perhaps. Let's see. So let's say this is passing through this point, right? And then there is the one that cutting the daging. That. Okay. Now we compute the difference between this and that. Between this part and that part. Okay.
As the entirety of the daging and the bread.
And then, but this is the point. But why it is continuous? So the difference we want the difference of this. But it doesn't show anything. If the difference is the same, it's not saying that the two line is coincide. So basically now we want to find some argument to show that there are idea. ini tesnya sudah cukup.
Error. Wih, promo.
Oke, ini disimpan dulu lah.
Wait, what is this? Oh. Baru up sih karena Zoom dia. Lots of features. What is this?
What is this? Oh.
Hooray.
Giri reksa, masalahnya itu bisa dibaca di nomor 24. Ini sekarang anak Bu Nuningnya sudah berapa tahun udah anak kembarnya. Kayaknya dulu bikinnya pas awal-awal masih pada kecil. Tapi ya, itu setiap garis yang lewat ini, bentar. Jadi kalau kita pakai direction directed line, so yeah. Okay, so between this directed line and that directed line there is this directed line, right? Oh, okay. I think I know. Hold on.
What? What's up?
So this L theta is one of the successful line that dividing the bread into two, right?
Yes.
But we have infinitely many of this thing. And like among this blue line, we can consider similar argument. Look at that directed line and this directed line. But now we consider it to daging.
Isn't that what we did before?
But this line is already dividing the bread into two equal area.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Right?
Yeah, okay, so we have.
So we just consider all those lines as already dividing the bread.
Okay. For
Yeah, but
many lines.
this is the hard part, is to convince that line is also continuous.
Okay. I mean, it is kind of an intuitive leap, I guess, except it makes sense.
Yeah.
Okay, but how do you rigorously state that?
Ya, gitu. Jadi, this is for the blue line. Yeah, if the difference still positive, just yeah. Now the continuity is of the continuity of lines, not the continuity of angles anymore. Oke deh, kayaknya intuitively like that, but oh, tapi kalau jadi yang fungsi keduanya fungsi dari garis. Jadi apa definisinya? FL adalah besarnya, ya gitu, besar daging di kiri kurang kanan untuk garis L. Jadi ini salah satu garis L saja. Tapi garis L yang seperti ini ada continuous. So for this L, for this particular L, if you look at the difference between the daging, it can be positive or negative or zero. If zero, it is done. If it is positive, then Dena is, yeah. So Dena, then this is like let's say this is the L reverse, right? And this one will be, if this is positive, this is negative. So there should be another line which divides the daging evenly. Okay.
But how does that prove it more than tadi? I mean, like we're starting at the
No, the second function is function of the line, not function of angles. So first we have L theta, which line depends on theta.
Yeah, okay, and we prove for theta. Okay, blah 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 blah.
Yeah, but for every straight line, we have that particular L theta.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Right. So it's needed for showing that the collection of all those lines is also continuous. Collection of lines that dividing the bread evenly. It's a continuous function. But now yeah. So if we look at one particular line, so we differentiate if like the line going in one direction and in the opposite direction. So we consider it to be two different lines, kind of like that.
Okay.
So if one of direction is having difference, the difference is positive, then the other direction,
opposite.
The difference is negative. So there should be another line where the difference is exactly zero.
And we prove that for every line acap, then there is.
Yeah.
So there is at least one line that fulfills that it is zero and the difference. It's kind of hard to put on paper though.
Yeah.
I mean, at least for me, I've never really put it on paper. Ini yang buat soalnya siapa?
Oke deh, begitulah. Ya, but we need to check the rigorousness of the proof, especially the assumption that such lines are continuous. Let's see, is there any other interesting problem here? This one is kind of interesting. It's really checking your understanding about what continuity means. Because in this problem you cannot rely on your
definition.
No, you cannot rely on graphics, because sometimes we say that it is continuous because, as you can see from the graphic, it's nyambung, so it's continuous. So this one we need to show that it is continuous only at x equal to 0, but at any other point it is not. It is discontinued. Yeah, you need to use the definition of epsilon delta.
Okay, that's interesting. Okay, I've never seen a piecewise function like that.
Yeah, because usually the high school student think that the function is like nice formula. It's not even.
It's very bouncy. At least my immediate notion of it is. Scattered points. Except.
So apa definisi epsilon deltanya?
What does it mean kontinuhannya di satu poin tuh?
So then not only we need to prove that it is continuous at x equal to 0, but also we need to prove that at any other point it is not continuous. Yeah, we need.
Well, but what does it mean to be continuous at x equals 0 if, like, the point immediately before? I mean,
Yeah,
immediately
that's
before.
why. So the continuity is not exactly like our imagination is in the graphics. So it is possible that near it's not continuous. Only one point only. It's weird.
What?
Okay, let's check the definition. The difference is only with the limits only there is the value, right? Oh, it's weird. For every epsilon there is delta positive, such that if x minus 0 less than delta, then fx, so if it is at x equal to 0, the expected, what is the f of x? Since 0 is rational, then it is 0, right? Oh, this is immediately because f of 0 is 0, and then if it is continuous at x equal to 0, then we are expecting the value to be 0. So this is 0 minus 0, right? Can you follow the definition here?
What?
Huh?
I'm watching YouTube. It's lagging. I'm
Oh,
going to
okay.
go to this.
So here is.
Okay, x minus 0 less than delta. To prove that.
Oh, it should be fx. Sorry, I'm sorry. It should be fx.
Fx is less than minus 0 less than epsilon, but x is fx.
Yeah, but this one f of x minus 0 is equal to absolute value of f of x, right?
Yes.
But since f of x is equal to x or minus x, so its absolute value is equal to absolute value of x.
Yeah, okay.
So what is the delta that we can use to make the absolute value of x less than epsilon? It's obvious. What? Can you see?
What?
We need to find delta, right?
Yeah.
So this statement, in fact, equivalent to the statement that the absolute value of x is less than epsilon.
Yeah, yeah.
So what is the delta here that we can choose to make this right?
Anything.
Not anything. Just equal to the epsilon.
Okay, yeah, okay, equal to epsilon.
Yeah. So that's proof that it is continuous at x equal to 0.
Well, that's strange.
Ya, Russell bener, epsilon sendiri.
Okay, that's fair, but
then we need to prove it is not continuous at any other point. So if x is rational and not equal to 0, then it's gonna be like
x
f
minus
of x.
n.
Yeah, but near any rational function, there should be an irrational
Always
one.
an irrational, yeah.
So the distance become twice of x, kind of like that. So there is an irrational. So no matter how small, we need to show that no matter how small our delta is, we can find an x that make it fail. Right?
Yeah, okay.
And we can so for every delta we can just choose the epsilon to be, so I need to choose first the epsilon. There exists an epsilon such that no matter how small the delta is, then yeah, this one should be roughly 2x like that. if we choose wisely, this will end up twice of absolute value of x. And yeah, we need to decide first at which point. Yeah, I think we need, let's say, it's a better. So is it continuous at x equals c, rational, for example, and we want to show that it is not continuous. To prove that it is not continuous, we need to violate the epsilon delta definition, right? The epsilon delta definition says that no matter how small the epsilon, we can always find delta. So
Yeah.
if we want to
Prove that it doesn't
to
exist.
falsify that it is like that, then we need to find an epsilon, a particular epsilon, so that
Any delta that's chosen.
any delta will not suffice. So epsilon 0 nya sama dengan apa? We will determine this later. Okay, so if we have x minus c less than delta, okay, then there will be an irrational one here, right? There is y irrational. So if there is y in there, then the value of fy
You want to use the pen thing?
huh?
The thing, yeah. Okay.
So what is this value? If it is irrational, then it is equal to minus y, right? And this is, since c is rational, it is c. So this is gonna be y plus c.
Y plus c, yeah. Okay.
And I need to make this to be bigger than something using triangle inequality. How is it possible that the y plus c is on the right side of the thingy? So like this.
Bigger than something or smaller than something?
Like this, right? Because if we move this guy to
Oh yeah, okay.
to the other side, that's gonna be y. So let's see. What I need to do? I need to make this bigger than something as a number. So can we say that the y is bigger than something bigger than absolute value of c? Hold on. If y is in here, what does it mean? So the y minus c is less than delta, right? I need to Can we estimate y from this one? Bigger than what? This is bad. Y is bigger than what? I want y bigger than something. So how to use triangle inequality if it is like that? So this is like c minus y here. So it's gonna be c.
But that's minus y.
Huh? No, it doesn't work here.
How come these soal abstract?
That's why people doesn't like it. Then I mean, I just made it once, the problem solving problem. I mean, and then after that, yeah, it's too hard. But I just want to attract the best one that probably bored with the standard problem.
Alright, I guess. Well, it is interesting with the food for thought. It's like bread, okay.
I think I need to use the y minus c here. So, okay, so if I use the y minus c, what? Like 2c plus like this? But this is too big to see. I don't know.
I've lost the point of what we're doing. Where did the y come in? What was there?
Oh no. This is not what I want. Sorry. I want the y plus this here. So it should be y minus c here then. Hold on. So this should be so but this is too big. Well, it depends on the absolute value of no. This is bad. I don't know. I need to think more. Handaru Adit, ini nggak resmi ini zoomnya, jadi mungkin lain kali. Ini tadinya cuma mau ngetes OBS aja, tapi keterusan.
Udah mau ngerekam apa kata tadi tuh?
Hah? Oh, tengok rekam.
Ngetes.
Subscribe, rakyat. Di mana?
Lumayan lah, 32 people watching now. Subscribe. Yang pertama kita nepi 1000.
I think I need to draw. Let me get some pen.
What, you want to take the pen? Or you want your own pen? Wow, I'm hijacking now. Hello everyone. Selamat datang di Bermatematika. Oh no, udah datang pulang rumah.
I think I will not publish this one. This is just random stuff.
That's alright. Yang tahu-tahu aja.
Harus digambarin mah. Nggak bisa digambar ketang.
It's very bouncy. Gonna bouncy. Captured.
So what happened if I'm sharing the thingy?
What?
Sharing the
Screen?
uh-huh.
Nothing's happening.
No, our picture will be gone, I think.
Oh, have it. I thought you already did. Go ahead, try it. Aduh.
Need to admit.
Bendo. Okay. So far it's retaining. Okay, now I'm gone.
The YouTube is still not gone yet.
Alright then.
But oh sorry.
Tapi ternyata
Yeah, feedback.
limited.
I need to kill the sound from this device. Yeah. And then what? Share screen. It doesn't want to scroll. What happened? Gak bisa ditulisin, kenapa ya? Why? Is your display changing the zoom? Huh? Good.
My display?
Oh, do you see my OneNote?
Yeah.
But I cannot do anything with it.
What do you mean?
Yeah, I cannot. I think maybe cannot draw anything.
Well, how come? I see the eraser.
I don't know. I don't know why. Let's change into something. Let's It's just experimentation. Ini jangan nih, jangan pakai ini gitu. Oh, atau harus di sini? Tidak mau. Nah, it work. Kayaknya. Okay, let's find out. So fx is cari epsilon 0 lebih besar dari 0 sehingga untuk setiap delta ketika x min akan dibuktikan tidak continue di
Nah YouTube nanti ketinggalan now.
Huh? Really?
Well, I mean,
It's delay.
huh? I mean, it's just my screen is replaced because
Okay. So we need to replace this with, we need to pin this guy, right? Okay. So what is it? Oh, kumahanya lamun kia.
well, I mean your OneNote thing on your PDF annotator on the Omen is huge still.
I cannot see anything either. Sih. Mana siga kumasi?
Well, it's more. Ayo nama di kiri ada yang sisa tadi.
Tapi ini masih yang tadi gini kan? Oh, so the thingnya on the picture, right?
Yeah.
So I need to pin this the second account, this one. Oh, I need to pin this Alliance Bara instead. But so how it looks like now?
What on YouTube? Delayed cannot judge correctly.
Hey, but no, it's not like this. It's not sharing anything.
Nope, there's nothing there. It's that itu nanya. Though
How about this?
the annotator is still there. Di OBS namun perlu diatur.
Ya, berarti harus ada khusus untuk displaying this one, right?
Yeah, I mean that would be convenient kalau ada like tombol that changes profile gitu. Kayak preset or whatever, I don't know what you call it. In OBS.
Okay, let's
Click and then just change screen. We'll focus on that new screen. Something like that.
zoom to list. Okay, so this one I need to cut it.
Now I know that my audio sucks. I mean, my mic sucks. So that's good. At least we got that. I'm good with that.
This one is somebody else. This one is supposed to be where? I don't know. I think I get drag something that I'm not supposed to drag. It's weird. Here? No. Why is it like this? This is... So before it's like what? I don't know. Dasar work lah. Akan dibuktikan tidak continue di X sama dengan C rasional aja. Ya. Cari epsilon positif sehingga untuk setiap delta ketika X dikurangi C kurang dari delta, maka untuk setiap delta lebih besar dari 0 ada X dengan X ini, tapi Fx kurang Fc nya lebih besar dari epsilon 0. Oke. Ada X.
Also, it's like this over here, ma. Okay.
What is this? X min Fc is... So, if X in Q now this is won't lead to any contradiction because I can just choose the delta net to be smaller than epsilon 0, so it cannot be happening, this one, if X in Q. So I need to look up X, which is irrational. And X minus C less than that. Oh, okay. Okay, so which X? So that X-nya but X plus C bigger than epsilon 0. Oh, epsilon 0 dibikin, tapi dibikin gede mah. Sekarang biar gampang dulu, asumsikan X-nya positif. Kalau X-nya positif, kita ambil epsilonnya C/2, tapi sorry, X-nya C-nya positif. Kalau C-nya positif, X-nya C minus setengah delta. C minus setengah delta. So kayak sini C. Oh, misalkan no matter how small the delta is, X-nya diambil C lagi aja. Sebentar. X-nya diambil jangan apa? Sorry. X-nya diambil spesifik. Jadi X-nya harus diambil yang spesifik. Kayak C plus seper kecil gitu misalkan. Coba. Yap. X-nya kayak di sini. C-nya rasional. C ditambah kecil tapi bilangan rasional. Tapi no matter how small, kalau diambil C lagi gimana? Kalau diambil C lagi mah enggak, harus diambilnya dengan rasional. Harus irasional, kecil irasional. Jadinya ini teh berapa? 2C tambah kecil. Nah, ini bisa dibuat lebih besar sama dengan C. Jadi epsilon nolnya bisa C kegedean tapi really? Oke, kita bersihkan argumennya. Ambil setiap delta. Jadi ini harus bergantung kepada delta. Deltanya
Hey, what's up?
X-nya C minus aja deh biar gede. Sebentar. Kayaknya mending plus aja deh. Deltanya positif, jadi ini kalau asumsinya C-nya positif dulu, jadi ini bisa jadi gini, 2C tambah delta lebih besar dari 2C ya. Jadi ini epsilon. Oke, coba klaim jika C ini kayaknya feedback, enggak tapi C tadi apa sih? Gini. Bener. Yeay. Yang lainnya kira-kira serupa kali. Do you understand aku? Oh, you left. But there is still your picture. Okay. Sorry, ini random begini. I need to kill this guy then. Stop share. What happened if I stop share? This is jadi mess up like this. So what is that? So I need to pin only 2 of us. I need to remove this pin.
Yeah, but it would be cool if you have like profile or something. Like you can immediately switch, like you know, predict where the thing is going to go. Like when you.
Yeah, but I don't know.
I mean, if you have certain recurring like patterns, like you usually have some guess or whatever, and switch.
I need to anticipate stuff. So I think it's right again now.
Not really, kinda.
OBS recursive.
Well, it really only does what it tells you to. So.
Oh, so why is this thingy? Oh, because I killed the thingy. I need to open this guy again probably. Yeah, I need to prepare the... Why is this one? Oh, because I still sharing? I don't. Oh, I need to kill this one. Oh, okay. Yeah. Need to plan lots of things.
Well, it's not like you're going to have multi-guests anyway.
Huh? Yeah, you need to prepare the scene with 1 guest, 2 guests, and at most like 3 guests, probably.
This mic is very sensitive.
This one is the Omni.
Oh, pantas. Okay. Hello?
Still.
I mean, but like if Ilman is screaming, then you can't hear him at least, I guess. I mean,
Mari kita nonton Netflix bersama-sama di tewak.
well, halo? Kering. Halo?
Tentunya.
Ada.
Oh.
Ayo, kene. Still. Tuh. Ya, masih ada.
Maybe this one I don't understand this thing too. There is make aux. So see, there's the BYPM 700 and this make aux. If I kill this one, what happened? We'll see.
Alright, let's try. Hello? Hello? Okay, I'm here.
Test.
Wow. What?
So what's the difference? Can you hear me?
Yeah.
So it seems that the mic aux is like feeding to like accepting the sound from your Zoom. I don't know.
Really?
I don't understand. This OBS is too many whistle and bells.
We need to learn from streamers.
Is it the same like in my Zoom Aka? It's like iya kan? Itu jelas si PDF na. Why nya? Heeh. I think because this one is like it's like picture, and I think I don't understand it.
I don't know. If I pin it, it's still blurry.
Yeah, it's blurry.
That's why I was watching on YouTube.
Mm-hmm.
But it delayed for.
So then it's better this platform is accepting no guests than just watch everything on YouTube.
Alright then.
Oke. Terima kasih sudah menemani mencoba-coba. Is that anything interesting? What is this? X quadrat. But this aka 21st by 2G. What is the yang bawahnya selalu positif dekat 0. Oh, I don't know. This one is I forgot. Bless. Ada jelasnya. Anehnya di YouTube jelas kah? Sama kah? Itu jelas kah? Aku you gone?
What?
Di YouTube nggak jelas oke.
Well, I'm not.
Jelas kita.
Wait.
Jelas.
Huh?
Until a while it's render nicely.
Oh, I don't know.
On the YouTube mah, tapi on this one like hazy gitu. Ini YouTube.
Oh, I don't know. Well, this camera is a lot better than webcam. Of course.
The what?
Yeah, this webcam.
No, I think this one is better.
Oh, really?
Because 1080p. That one, the software from Canon cannot render the full HD. It's just 720p. The thingy.
Yeah, I don't know, but the colors are off. It's kind of weird.
We can compare if we use this one instead. The GT. See?
Where is it? Oh, it's belakang.
Hey.
Ada. Oh, look, it's not flipped though.
I just need to kill this one. This one. Yeah, it's brighter, but it's...
I don't know, I prefer the Canon one. It's not flipped though.
Yeah, sometimes I cannot flip it. It's weird.
Okay.
Tapi ngeliat na kadiri na gambar na didi. It's weird. I don't think we should flip it. Di na video yang lama jadinya I didn't refer correctly the left and right.
Oh yeah. Oh,
In
well, that's strange. Well, I mean, but still, it's directionally correct, I guess.
sebelah kiri tapi nunjuknya ke kanan.
Understandable sih.
Understandable. Yup. Just kill some. Kumanya yang ada apa lagi sih yang I need to know.
Oh, it's complex.
I need to know the harusnya mah pakai iya orang yang freak control mah, so you can like making the logo coming like that, like breaking like on TV like Cartoon Network, it like
What?
the animation.
Oh, yeah, okay.
And then,
Nunggu iklan gitu.
like that.
I don't know. Probably lots of stuff you can do. Ask streamers.
Why this thing doesn't work? Okay, so what now? Kenapa tidak jalan? I don't understand. Kayaknya harus share display. Beneran terus Oke, nomor 20. Continue di setiap bilangan real. Oke, kita switch lagi view-nya menjadi ini. Ya, masing-masing cabangnya cukup dipastikan continue di X sama dengan min 1. Limit X menuju min 1 dari kiri. Dari kiri yang ini cabangnya. Jadi A min X A tambah 1. Limit X menuju min 1 dari kanan. Limit X menuju min 1 dari kanan fungsinya yang ini. X kuadrat ditambah 2X tambah B per, nah ini seru juga ya, ini harus ada limitnya agar continue, harus sama dengan A tambah 1. Belum sama dengan, harusnya sama dengan A tambah 1. Ya, F min 1 juga sama dengan A tambah 1. Oke. Coba apa B-nya agar apa A dan B-nya agar limit ini sama dengan A plus 1. Jika ini bekerja mundur dulu ya, jika continue ya, nanti baru dibuktikan setelah dapat A dan B-nya bahwa pilihan A dan B tersebut jalan ya. Jika continue di X sama dengan min 1, limit X menuju min 1 X kuadrat tambah 2X tambah B per X tambah 1 dari kanan ke bawah harus ada ya ini, tapi kita perlu ada dulu aja. Kalau ada, akibatnya limit X menuju min 1 dari ini sama dengan ini sama dengan 0. Tapi yang ini sama dengan 1 kurang 2 ditambah B sama dengan B min 1. Jadi haruslah B sama dengan 1 ya. Kalau B sama dengan 1, ini kita pengennya sama dengan A plus 1 ya. B nya sama dengan 1. Limit X menuju 1 dari kanan pengennya sama dengan A tambah 1. Jadi A tambah 1 sama dengan 2. A nya 1, B nya 1. Ya, berikutnya tinggal nulis yang nulis yang bagus ya. Bahwa satu-satunya nilai A dan B yang memenuhi adalah ketika A nya sama dengan 1 dan B nya sama dengan 1. Nggak ada yang lainnya lagi. Jadi nulisnya gimana bagusnya ya? Tunjukkan bahwa A sama dengan 1. Ya, nulisnya juga rada-rada ini mungkin. Karena ini kan tadi yang kita lakukan itu bukan membuktikan bahwa ini satu-satunya, tapi kita menunjukkan atau mencari A dan B yang benar ya. Tapi ketika kita menyajikan argumennya kenapa itu cuma satu-satunya, ya urusan yang agak berbeda. Kita harus lebih hati-hati nulisnya. Tapi ya, silakan ya. Anda coba bahwa berdasarkan orat-orat di atas kita meyakini. Ingat, saya bilangnya meyakini ya, karena perlu dibuktikan ya, bahwa A nya 1, B nya 1. Kalau nulisnya gimana berarti? Kita bisa menunjukkan jika dia continue di X sama dengan min 1, maka haruslah A nya sama dengan 1, B nya sama dengan 1. Dan kita juga perlu menunjukkan jika A nya sama dengan 1 dan B nya sama dengan 1, dia continue ya. Jadi nanti kalau Anda ingin menuliskan ini untuk penulisan yang baik, perlu ditunjukkan yang satu, jika F continue di X sama dengan min 1, maka A sama dengan 1, B sama dengan 1. Yang kurang lebih adalah apa yang kita lakukan di oret-oret di atas. Yang kedua, kita perlu tunjukkan sebaliknya. Jika A sama dengan 1 dan B sama dengan 1, maka F continue di X sama dengan min 1. Ya, ini kalau kita ingin hati-hati sekali untuk menunjukkan bahwa nggak ada A dan B yang lain selain A sama dengan 1 dan B sama dengan 1 ya. Jadi kita tunjukkan bahwa kalau continue haruslah A nya 1, B nya 1. Kalau A nya sama dengan 1, B nya sama dengan 1, maka dia continue di X sama dengan min 1 ya. Tolong perkecil Pak, mau SS. Yang atasnya soal aja kan. Oh ya. Soalnya ini ya, mungkin Anda perlu lihat dulu soalnya. Tentukan semua AB. Ya ini cukup menarik. Oke, kita lihat ada yang menarik lainnya kah? Ini dibunuh. Oke. Nah ini yang Anda yang mau latihan apa? Teorema Apit. Ini menarik nih. Ups. Nah, coba ya. Saya juga nggak langsung ingat diapain, tapi ya Anda bisa coba. Yang satu kecil, gede banget, tik kayaknya sih. Oh, oke. Ya, coba ya. 22. Gunakan teorema Apit untuk menghitung limit x menuju 0 dari x floor per x.
What? You're still doing stuff? Hello? What is this?
Oh, oke.
Oke nih.
Mungkin salah ngitung saya.
Average watch time 155. Nice.
Let's take average. Is that any additional subscriber here? There's
Oh
no.
god.
At the end.
Dalam mimpi yang sangat
Ya, sangat mungkin sekali saya salah ngitung. Tapi idenya begitu. Coba yang mana kita periksa lagi ya. Di limit min 1 A plus 1. Terus limit x kuadrat tambah 2x tambah b nya harus 0 pada intinya. 1 kurang 2 tambah b. Ini harus sama dengan 0. B nya sama dengan 1. Kenapa gitu mic-nya emang? What's wrong with the mic? Ya, floor. I don't hear. Oh ya. filter. I don't mind. See a little bit noise on the background. This one, because this is so sensitive. I think even we use a filter, this guy is too sensitive, and the cardioid seems still pick up the sound from, or I don't know. I think maybe this one is the gain probably too much. I don't know. Halo Sandi, gimana Sandi? Dapat perak? Kapan traktir saya? Devlog Avenue. Capek juga. Ntar pelatnas pakai YouTube aja gitu ya. Offline. Kayaknya nggak mungkin offline dulu deh, kayaknya pelatnas satunya. Kalau tahun ini pasti online. Nol satu nol nol. Gimana? Oh oke, yang bawah itu bawahnya besar, roughly, tapi sin square bisa bounded sama 1, jadi kurang lebih ini roughly the same. 1 kayaknya sih. Menurut feeling yang B limitnya 1, yang A kalau yang 1 limitnya ada.
Yes, so they just came one at a time.
I need to drink. This guy is kita.
Okay.
I need to kill him. My running text. I learned from the founder of TubeBuddy. The thing making. Yeah.
Well, that's cool.
Yeah, it's just like you have your own TV channel. The power you have now, technologies.
Alright then. It's not like I'm gonna do any live streaming though.
Huh? But even like that, you can record it. Like it's nice still.
What? Well, yeah.
Even if it's not live, like you can rearrange
Stop.
to our like, whatever. To our liking.
Okay, I will add that to my skill set needed.
Then you can make the skill set of OBS.
What? Mungkin nulis ayam rin.
Pasti. this is not right. This is x squared, but this is like oscillating. On is always positive, but still it's fluctuating. X squared plus, I don't know. Oh, oke. Yang A, oke. 21A, oke. 4 seperempat ya. 21A seperempat. 1B kayaknya tidak ada limitnya. Kalau ada, nah mungkin pakai gitu argumennya. Kalau ada, maka iya nih, harus menunggu donasi nih dari para pemenang KSN. Kayaknya mungkin tangan saya ini jadi sakit kayaknya. Entah pengaruh posisi duduk atau gimana. Clifton di mana sekarang, Clifton? Ngambil math enggak, Clifton? Kalau nggak ngambil math nggak di aku lagi jadi anak pelatnas, gimana dong? Oke lah, data science masih di aku lah. Itu Russell kerjain yang nomor ini. 21B. Ntar anak-anak yang mau pelatihan saya kasih soal. Apa ya? Yang gampang aja. Soalnya kemarin KSN-nya mengecewakan, terlalu gampang katanya. Aduh. Sorry. Mengecewakan ya. Wah, ini susah ini mah. Albert, saya kasih soal ya. Kalau nggak bisa, ditarik lagi emasnya. Karena terlalu banyak ke kamar mandinya, Albert. Emasnya ini PNG formatnya. Pasti di toiletnya ada SS ya. Atau ke Ajat mungkin. minum bird. Still.
Precious dogs.